In this video I want to show you how you can download Claude Cowork. So as you can see, if you are in the browser and you are trying to search for it, you can't find it because it's only at the desktop app, so you have to install Claude on your desktop. So if you search for Claude download, you want to open the official website and simply find your operating system and download. So if you have Windows, click on Windows, macOS. So once you download this, you need to double click on it if you are on Windows and install it. On Mac, you want to drag it into your apps folder. And after that, if you have Claude installed, you can open it. And here you can see three sections. So firstly, you will have chat, then you have Cowork. So here you can use your Cowork, and then you have Claude Code. Okay, so if you don't see the Cowork right away, you need to have at least Pro plan. So if you click on your profile, you want to click on Upgrade Plan, and you need to have Pro plan in order to use this. So you can see Cowork is over here listed, and this is all for this video. This is how you can install Cowork or download. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.